Hey guys, welcome back to the Miles 2 Cents Corner. Today we have a video by the channel called The Unbelievable. Be sure to go check them out. The video is called People vs. Mother Nature. I look forward to watching this one because I'm an outdoors person, so seeing people interact with nature, whether they're doing something really cool or doing something really weird, I don't know. I just find those kind of videos really cool and enjoyable, and also funny from time to time. So let's go ahead and get into this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started.
Hello there, and welcome to The Unbelievable.
I've actually seen people do that where I live.
A French man has no problem driving his Range Rover through deep waters.
That could not be me. I mean, if it can handle it, go ahead, but... Because that is a dangerous and ballsy move, honestly. I mean, he made it. Look at that.
Umbrellas proved to be ineffective on this windy day in London.
Oh, man. The funny thing is, I actually have an umbrella that's supposed to be resistant to going inside out like that, and it still managed to do it. So, either I just ran into some really, really strong wind, or that was just some false advertising. That's like the worst thing that happens when it's raining. It's just your umbrella just flips inside out like that. Like at this point, I would just give up. What is that, a sandstorm? Wow.
A storm
so cool,
comes
though.
out of nowhere and surprises beachgoers in Russia.
Man. On the beach day too. Oh wow. That got way worse than I thought it was going to. Yeah, people just huddle under those umbrellas. Oh, it's hail. Wow. Uh-oh. Here comes an avalanche. Wow.
Mother Nature decided.
Maybe we all been skiing or snowboarding before. I've been skiing with some family members, and I don't know about you, but I really didn't like it. It was not fun. It wasn't as enjoyable as I was hoping it was going to be. I don't know. If I were to go again, I might, but the last time I went, it just wasn't fun. Let me know if you guys have ever been snowboarding or skiing before.
Decides to crash a wedding in Hawaii.
Oh, wow. Oh, I'd be gone. I'd be gone so fast.
Oh, the wind.
Campers battle some strong winds in Ireland.
Strong winds is an understatement. Look at that. See, I just couldn't attempt something like this, even if I had a vehicle that was designed to withstand the waters like that. I'd be so worried that I would get stuck and then I'd be screwed.
A teenager decides to endure the incoming hail for a video.
What?
Tyler, get in here! Oh, Tyler, get in here!
Man, You couldn't pay me to do this. Just get inside already.
This isn't, if you go out there, you don't know where you're going. This is gonna be awesome.
Oh, another sandstorm.
This is incredible. Like, I love being in the middle of this, and it's just the coolest feeling.
Looks like he came from a Burning Man concert.
I
Or
can't
whatever
see
those
anything.
outdoor desert festival.
I don't know
or
where
whatever.
I'm at.
I think it's Burning Man.
Where my bike is. Yeah.
Yeah, it probably is. Dang, that's crazy. He said, this is
A
awesome.
skier outruns an avalanche in the most epic way possible.
Ooh, that is so scary. Oh wow. Now I get this guy on Mission
I'm
Impossible.
about to give up.
That's a lot of work.
Come on, you can do it.
Whew, that's some deep snow.
Come on.
Take us out.
You can do it, Tibbs.
Hold
Almost
on.
there.
I said, hold on. Look at him.
This is what scientists have to do almost every day in Antarctica.
I can't imagine how cold it is. Wonder what they're trying to do. What the heck's going on? Is it just windy? I don't know why I thought they were all about to jump. They were huddled together like that. Uh-oh.
Soldiers have some fun and run headfirst
wow.
into a dust devil.
What the heck? Shoot, I'd be the one filming. I would not be doing that. Like, yeah, y'all go have fun. I'm gonna stay back here. Just film it. That's a huge dust devil. I've never seen one that big. Dang.
That's awesome. Go!
What are you doing? Oh, another kid trying to get famous by running in hell.
And lock.
Did you lock the door? Oh, this guy's an asshole.
Professional divers use the waves to their advantage during a training exercise.
Oh wow, that actually looked really cool. Oh, bus is stuck in the snow. Oh, was that an Arctic rabbit? Oh,
Camping
He
in
made it.
Greenland seems to be quite the mission.
See, I don't mind camping, but doing something like this, in this kind of condition, I mean, I don't know. I don't think I could. I would need some really, really warm stuff to do something like this, but I likely could be able to do it. Man.
I've never seen such good weather before. Everyone's enjoying themselves. It's just fantastic.
What is with these people going out in the hail? Another strong wind. Oh.
A delivery driver doesn't let a little flood stop him from making his quota.
Hey, Charlie, gotta pay you extra.
Hey, give that guy a raise. He's like, shoot, I'm gonna get my money. And another river crossing. So, what are they trying to do? They're just trying to take a video? Or I guess take a picture? I don't know.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the
Oh man, that was a good one. See, like I said, I'm an outdoorsy type of person, so I like to go outside and enjoy like nice weather. You notice how I said nice weather, stuff like that, where it's like, you know, really heavy wind or really heavy rain or even hail. I don't know what. That's where those kids were just trying to, you know, get in the hail like that. Those are definitely days where I'm like, I'll probably just stay inside just to avoid that. But on really nice days, I'll definitely be outside and enjoying myself. But those people who were trying to like camp out in like the really snowy weather, like those really huge blizzards, I don't know how people do that. I've seen people do that before, but I don't think I could do that, honestly. That'd be something that would take a lot for me to do. But I guess you only live once, so I guess I wouldn't mind trying it. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will again be doing more reactions to stuff like this, and if you guys have any suggestions, I would be more than happy to hear them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time at the Miles 2 Cents Corner. Peace out.